Hi, welcome to the Ask Patrick series. Today's question is by Nikhil Pandey. Question is, my scores were increasing but in the mocks. Now my scores are stagnated. What should I do? It's very common. You cannot have a scores continuously increasing throughout. Okay, you will stagnate somewhere. And moment you stagnate, this is a point where you need to rethink and see how you can improve further. One is obviously to analyze the mocks properly. But let me give you some other analogy which is there. A little different topic. Let's take any scenario. Let's take business. If you look at Mukesh Ambani, he is like one of the richest person in the world. Why is he the richest? The fact that he keeps on evolving himself. So he was in oil and gas. He saw that things are more changing. So he moves in tech telecom. He's moving into digital platforms, having his own apps. He's evolving over a period of time. Okay, and this whole change in the way he's doing business is only because he's constantly changing, and that is true for a lot of people. Either you're in the same business or different business, you keep on changing yourself. Facebook has not been the same Facebook that was there. It bought Instagram. The moment it realized that the whole platform is changing, it bought Instagram. It has changed over a period of time. Right from Google also has invested in robotic cars and a lot of other things. Driverless cars. So everyone who wants to grow or who wants to constantly improve normally evolves and changes, takes risks. But while taking the risk, there's always a chance that your scores may go down. And I normally recommend students to take risk. Let your scores go down. Only if you're ready for your scores to go down, you learn from your mistakes and then improve on that. So try out some new strategy, try out some new methods, try to unlearn something that you already learned and learn new things and see if it works. The moment you try it for 4 or 5 times, you get used to it and it works, you can implement it. If you feel it doesn't work, you can always go back to your old strategy. You will regain your marks. You don't drop your marks. If you go back to your old strategy, you will regain your marks. You will have the same marks as before. There's nothing that you lose. But keep experimenting. That's very, very important. And what to experiment? Please analyze the mocks. Find where are you losing? Why are you not getting? Is it because you're spending extra time on a very specific type of question? Is it that you're spending extra time on selection of question? Are there some questions that you solve which are not with the right methods? Or something different? Strategy, methods, there could be different things for different people, and that you'll only come to know if you analyze the mocks. Analyze the mock thoroughly, find out what do you lack, and then figure out what you need to experiment to improve your scores. That should help you to improve. Thank you.